If you think these articles are written by journalists, think again, because right now, thousands of news stories every single day are being written by artificial intelligence. And you probably couldn't tell the difference. AI isn't just helping journalists, it's replacing them. Entire newsrooms are being automated, headlines are generated in seconds, and the line between truth and programming is getting dangerously blurry. So here's the real question. When algorithms decide what's news, can we still trust what we read? If machines are writing the stories, who's holding them accountable? Journalism was supposed to be the last defense against misinformation, but now newsrooms are shrinking. Trust in media is collapsing, and as AI systems take over, churning out articles faster than any human ever could, we risk trading truth for convenience. No conscience, just content. In this video, we're breaking down what AI journalism really is, how it works, where it's already being used, and whether it's actually a threat or the future of storytelling. You'll see what AI can do brilliantly and what it completely fails at. And by the end, you'll know exactly where the human touch still matters in the age of automation. Before we jump in, if you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below to set up a free one-on-one discovery call with me. Now, let's get dangerous. So before we start freaking out about robots stealing press passes, let's get clear about what AI journalism actually means. At its core, AI journalism is when artificial intelligence systems write, edit, or help produce news stories without a human typing every word. If traditional journalism is handwritten, AI journalism is auto-completed at scale. Natural language processing, or NLP, is how AI understands human language, kind of like the translation layer between data and storytelling. It reads financial reports, sports stats, or weather data, and turns them into sentences that sound natural. Imagine you hand a computer a spreadsheet of basketball scores, and it instantly writes a story like the Lakers defeated the Celtics 108-102 in a nail-biter last night. That's NLP in action. Automated reporting is actually where most AI journalism lives right now. Systems like Associated Press have used automation since 2014 to generate thousands of financial reports every quarter, freeing up journalists to focus on deeper stories. Bloomberg has its own version called Cyborg, which automatically creates quick news updates from stock market data, and sometimes publishing faster than human reporters can even read the numbers. Generative news is the newer, more advanced form, where AIs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or custom newsroom systems create entire articles from scratch. They don't just summarize data, they generate full narratives, sometimes even adding quotes, summaries, and transitions. But here's the catch. They don't understand what they're writing. They just predict what a journalist might say next based on patterns in language. It's like a really smart parrot that has memorized every newspaper ever printed, but has no idea what a fact actually is. So when we talk about AI journalism, we're not talking about robots sitting in press boxes. We're talking about invisible code, writing real stories right now, often without a human even knowing it happened. And that raises one massive question. If AI is already writing the news, who's really in control of the narrative? Let's be real. AI has some serious superpowers in the newsroom. There are things it can do in seconds that would take humans hours or entire teams. AI can write news at machine speed. That means when a company releases its quarterly earnings, or when a sports game ends, AI systems can publish an article instantly, while human reporters are still typing the first sentence. The Associated Press has been using automation for years to publish thousands of financial reports, 4 times more than before automation, without hiring a single new reporter. AI thrives on structured data, the kind of stuff that comes in spreadsheets, not interviews. So it's perfect for data-driven journalism. Election coverage, stock updates, weather forecasts, even live sports recaps. Take election night, for example. Hundreds of counties reporting votes in real time. An AI system can track them all at once, updating predictions and writing localized updates for every region. Now let's talk business, because at the end of the day, every newsroom runs on budgets. AI doesn't need overtime pay, healthcare, or coffee breaks. Once trained, it can crank out thousands of articles for a fraction of the cost of a human team. That's why outlets like Forbes, Bloomberg, and the Washington Post have all experimented with AI-generated content, not to replace journalists entirely, but to stretch their budget and scale their output. So, yeah, AI is fast, cheap, and tireless. It's the perfect assistant for predictable, data-heavy stories. But here's the thing. When news isn't predictable, when it's about corruption, war, or human suffering, AI completely falls apart. And that's where we're headed next. For everything AI does right in journalism, there's a dark side nobody talks about. The moment the story goes beyond numbers and data, AI gets lost. AI can summarize, but it can't investigate. It doesn't call sources, chase leads, or dig through leaked documents at 3 a.m. It just predicts what sounds like a real article. Investigative journalism relies on context, and context comes from humans, from emotion, experience, and gut instinct. Things AI simply doesn't have. And here's the scary part. AI doesn't know truth from lies. It just predicts what words look right together. So when it's wrong, it's confidently wrong. And because AI can generate thousands of stories at once, even a single mistake can spread misinformation at scale. Imagine your friend who always sounds smart but makes things up half the time, and now he's in charge of the evening news. When news gets human, tragedy, politics, culture, identity, AI loses the plot. It can't feel empathy. It doesn't understand grief, injustice, or outrage. Covering a mass shooting, a refugee crisis, or political corruption requires empathy and ethics. AI doesn't have either. It just mirrors the data it's trained on, and that data often carries bias. It's like letting a robot write a eulogy. It might get the words right, but not the heart. So yeah, AI can crank out content, but it can't tell truth from noise. It can't comfort the grieving or challenge the powerful. It can't care. And if journalism loses that, we don't just lose stories, we lose trust. But here's the twist. Maybe the future isn't AI versus journalists. Maybe it's AI with journalists. For all the hype about AI replacing writers, there's one thing it can't replicate: human intuition. Because journalism isn't just about words, it's about witnessing. When a journalist sits across from a grieving family, a whistleblower, or a survivor, something happens that no machine can code: trust, empathy, shared silence. That moment is where truth lives, not in the data, but in the connection. AI can collect quotes, but it can't listen. It can't hear what someone doesn't say. And that's often where the real story hides. AI doesn't know ethics. It doesn't question conflicts of interest, check political motives, or verify anonymous tips. It just outputs what sounds plausible. Journalists, on the other hand, live by skepticism. Every quote, every claim, every statistic gets tested, because integrity is in their code. Humans don't just report facts, they shape them into meaning. A great journalist takes information and turns it into something that moves people, something that inspires action, change, or empathy. That's not programming, it's art. Here's the part no algorithm can ever replace: courage. Because journalism isn't just about writing, it's about risk. The power to ask uncomfortable questions, the courage to publish the truth, even when it's dangerous, the conviction to hold the powerful accountable. You can't program bravery. So, no, AI can't replace that. It can mimic tone, structure, and even empathy, but it can't replace the human heartbeat that makes journalism matter. Because journalism isn't about information, it's about truth. And truth still needs a human voice. Here's the twist: this isn't the end of journalism. It's the start of a new version of it. Because the future isn't AI replacing journalists, it's AI working with journalists. Smart newsrooms are already using AI, but not to write the final story. They're using it to handle the grunt work: summarizing reports, transcribing reviews, and sorting data. So journalists can spend more time doing what humans do best: thinking, questioning, and storytelling. Here's what the new workflow looks like. AI drafts the first version, quick, clean, and efficient. Then a human steps in to verify the facts, add depth, and shape the emotional core. It's like giving every journalist a super assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and never runs out of ideas, as long as you keep it on a leash. If AI is going to have a seat in the newsroom, transparency has to be the new standard. Readers deserve to know when a story was written, edited, or fact-checked by AI. Outlets like The Guardian and BBC are already testing disclosure labels on AI-generated segments. Because in journalism, credibility is currency. It's like food labels. You don't mind if it's factory made as long as you know what's inside. And here's the exciting part: AI doesn't just write. It can analyze trends, surface hidden connections, and even help journalists predict emerging stories before they happen. That's not a threat, that's power. AI isn't here to replace journalists. It's here to refocus them, to strip away the busy work so they can chase what really matters: truth, empathy, and if we do it right, the future of news won't be man or machine. It'll be the best of both. Now, before you go, if you're ready to master AI or want me to build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below to set up a free one-on-one discovery call with me. Because the future isn't waiting. It's already writing headlines. And with that, be sure to leave a like. If you think this is all theory, think again. Because right now, over 30% of digital news content includes some level of AI assistance. The automated press uses AI for earnings reports. Bloomberg's Cyborg writes financial updates in seconds. CNET quietly tested AI-written finance articles until readers caught the errors. And the Washington Post's Heliograph has published thousands of elections and sports updates since 2016. Online, readers are starting to notice. Reddit threads, X posts, and comment sections are filling up with people asking, did a human even write this? And that right there is the whole point. If you have to ask who wrote the truth, that's when journalism loses its soul. Now, if you're interested in mastering AI or having a custom automation built for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one discovery call with me. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing. Because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Cutting through the blazing rain. Thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call. vicious arc. Light in the abyss, yeah, I blaze through the dark. Stormborn, shadow and flame, ripping through the water like a runaway train. No chains, no cage, no shallow grave. I run with the restless, I die with the brave. Steel sky cracking, but we charge ahead. Moonlight howling, painting rivers red. No lone hunter, I was raised in the tide. A ghost in the current with my brothers beside. Flying through the surf in a vicious arc. Light in the abyss, yeah, I blaze through the dark. Stormborn, shadow and flame, ripping through the water like a runaway train. No chains, no cage, no shallow grave. I run with the restless, I die with the brave. Side by side, we breathe as one. Echoes of the past in the setting sun. No king, no crown, just bond and blood. Carving our fate in the restless flood. Stormborn, shadow and flame, ripping through the water like a runaway train. No chains, no cage, no shallow grave. I run with the restless, I die with the brave.